Welcome back, friends, to another episode of I Market Me. Today, I'm going to talk about the mm, way in which Marvel is creating a content universe as well right now. The way we know Marvel is to create, great movies with great grandeur, super actions, and these days they've started adding those emotions as well. Still the end game emotion is there with me for to certain extent. So okay, coming back to how they are creating it as a content genius is I recently noticed that they are just not focusing on creating content for mass audiences in the theaters. They have gone on to create content for the OTT platforms with WandaVision, a series which releases every Friday at 12:30 p.m. IST. In your respective countries, it will be a similar experience for you. And they are now out with Winter Soldier and the Falcon, which is again another series, which is a continuation or the fifth phase in which MCU is now entering into after Endgame. So that is the another way. Third way, which is really interesting, is now they are actually gaining fans through releasing their video games for PlayStation and I guess Xbox as well. I've not seen that yet, but I'm assuming that they are also going to release it for Xbox, if not done already. But yes, so they are creating mass content in these formats. First is movies, definitely, which are say 2 hour long, which is there for the audience in the theaters so that they can have that experience as well at the larger level. Then they are creating an experience now on the go with creating content for the OTT platforms. Third and most interesting is they are also creating content for gamers right now. So I'm guessing that they are just trying to capture the people who, or maybe they will now go forward and target influencers who are into gaming and create content for gaming, or do a lot of live streams, and so that they capture them and the audience that is out there as well, because pretty much comes under their target audience. So yeah, these are the couple of things that I have loved about them. And yes, they have always been into merchandising and all those things. They also have had events, but because of last year, those events have not been taking place because of the pandemic. So yes, they are pretty much creating a lot of content. The thing is, where are you consuming that content from? And if Marvel is doing so much to create content, I guess we also as content creators should take inspiration from them and create content in multiple formats, which can go about in video, audio, and you know text format with blogs and everything like that. Maybe going one step ahead, you can also create a magazine or a ebook, uh, wherein you can actually create content for your particular niche, understand where your audience is, and create an content piece right specific to them, like the way Marvel has been doing for capturing new audience and gaining you know engagement or increasing the engagement time with the current audience. So I believe this is an inspiring story for you to diverge into different content formats. And I believe you've loved this episode. I will be coming up with more observations like these, and definitely case studies going forward. So make sure you hit that subscribe button right now so that you don't miss out on any other uh, opportunity or content created by brands and episodes that I have been definitely creating of late, which are simple, actionable tips. So I'll see you in the next episode. Till then, take care. Bye bye.